Good morning, dear friends. I want to share something important with you today about protecting your precious eyesight. Let me paint you a familiar picture. You wake up one morning and notice the world doesn't look quite as sharp as it used to. Maybe the morning sunlight through your window seems hazy, like you're looking through a foggy glass. The bright red roses in your garden appear somewhat faded. When you turn on a lamp, there's an annoying halo around the light. And reading? Well, that's become increasingly frustrating as the words seem to blur no matter how you adjust your glasses. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. This is daily life for millions of Americans living with cataracts. Here's a fact that might surprise you. If you're over 40, there's a 50% chance you'll develop cataracts by age 75. Yes, half of us will face this challenge. But I have wonderful news to share with you today. The scientific breakthrough that changes everything. Top researchers from universities like Harvard, Johns Hopkins, and Stanford have discovered something remarkable. Certain everyday fruits contain powerful natural compounds that can protect your eye's lens from clouding. Even more exciting, these compounds may help reverse early-stage cataracts that have already begun forming. A major study from Tufts University followed thousands of people for 10 years. The researchers found that people who regularly ate specific fruits had up to 64% lower risk of developing cataracts. Think about that. Simply by choosing the right fruits at your grocery store, you could cut your cataract risk by more than half. What makes this discovery so practical is that these aren't expensive, exotic superfoods. These are common fruits you've probably walked past countless times at your local supermarket. In fact, Harvard researchers found that one particular fruit could reduce cataract progression by 77% when eaten regularly. Some scientists are calling it nature's cataract eraser. Before we explore these 5 amazing fruits, I'd love to hear from you. Please share in the comments where you're from, and whether you or someone you love has dealt with cataracts. Has changing your diet helped your vision? We read every comment and truly value your experiences. Number 5. Oranges. Your daily dose of eye protection. Let's start with a breakfast favorite, the orange. This cheerful citrus fruit packs about 70 milligrams of vitamin C in each medium-sized fruit. But here's what makes this special for your eyes. Your eye's lens contains 20 times more vitamin C than your blood. Your body deliberately concentrates vitamin C there because it acts as a protective shield. Every day, your eyes face sunlight, pollution, and stress that create harmful molecules called free radicals. These troublemakers damage lens proteins, causing them to clump together like scrambled eggs. These clumps create the cloudy patches we call cataracts. Vitamin C neutralizes these free radicals before they cause damage. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a study following 35,000 women for over a decade. Women who consumed the most vitamin C from fruits like oranges had 33% lower risk of developing cataracts compared to those who consumed the least. But oranges offer more than just vitamin C. They contain compounds called hesperidin and naringenin that boost your vitamin C absorption by up to 35%. It's like getting a bonus with every orange you eat. Making oranges work for you. Always choose whole oranges over orange juice. The whole fruit provides fiber that prevents blood sugar spikes, which can accelerate cataract formation. Don't remove all the white pith under the peel. It contains the highest concentration of beneficial hesperidin. Eat oranges in the morning or early afternoon when your body absorbs vitamin C best. 1 medium orange daily provides all the vitamin C you need. If regular oranges taste too tart, try Cara oranges. They're sweeter and contain additional eye-protecting carotenoids. Number 4. Blueberries. Small but mighty vision defenders. These little blue gems have the highest antioxidant concentration of any common fruit, nearly double that of strawberries and triple that of oranges. But what makes blueberries special for cataracts is their anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep blue color. The National Eye Institute studied 4,000 people and found that those consuming the most anthocyanins had 38% lower risk of developing cataracts over 10 years. Blueberries contained 15 different types of anthocyanins, with malvidin and delphinidin being especially powerful for eye health. Here's what's remarkable. These compounds can cross the blood-retinal barrier, something most antioxidants cannot do. Think of this barrier as a security checkpoint that blocks most substances from entering your eye. Blueberry anthocyanins have special clearance, allowing them to directly protect your lens. Japanese researchers at Kyoto University gave blueberry extract to animals prone to cataracts. After 12 weeks, the blueberry group showed 70% less lens clouding. Microscopic examination revealed that blueberry compounds prevented the protein breakdown that leads to cataracts. The frozen advantage. Surprisingly, frozen blueberries might be better than fresh ones for your eyes. Freezing breaks down cell walls, making anthocyanins twice as available for your body to use. Let frozen berries thaw for 20 minutes before eating for maximum benefit. Aim for 1 cup of blueberries daily. Mix them with Greek yogurt. The protein and fat help your body absorb the berries' beneficial compounds. Avoid cooking blueberries above 350 degrees, which destroys half their anthocyanins. Add them to muffins or pancakes at the very end of cooking. Number 3. Avocados, the unexpected eye protector. Yes, avocados are fruits, and they're powerful weapons against cataracts. While known for healthy fats, avocados are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 compounds crucial for clear vision. UCLA researchers analyzed 1,800 participants' eyes and found those with the highest lutein and zeaxanthin levels had 42% lower cataract incidence. Avocados contain more lutein per serving than any other fruit, about 370 micrograms per half avocado. Lutein and zeaxanthin are the only carotenoids that accumulate in your lens and macula. They work like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and UV radiation. Harvard Medical School researchers discovered these compounds can actually repair early oxidative damage to lens cells. Their study of 77,000 nurses over 12 years showed women consuming the most lutein and zeaxanthin had 22% lower risk of needing cataract surgery. The multiplication effect. Here's what's truly special about avocados. Their healthy fats dramatically increase absorption of carotenoids from other foods. Ohio State University found that adding half an avocado to a salad increased lutein absorption by 500%, and zeaxanthin absorption by 400%. Choose avocados that yield slightly to pressure but aren't mushy. That's when carotenoid content peaks. The dark green flesh near the skin contains 11 times more carotenoids than the pale center, so don't leave it behind. Never heat avocados above 300 degrees, which destroys lutein. Eat half an avocado with meals containing other carotenoid-rich foods like spinach or eggs. Research shows consuming carotenoids with your largest meal increases absorption by 23%. Aim for 3 to 4 avocados weekly, spread throughout different meals. Number 2. Papaya, the tropical vision guardian. Papaya contains an extraordinary combination of vitamin C, vitamin A, and a special enzyme called papain. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences followed 3,000 people for 8 years. Those eating papaya twice weekly had 51% lower risk of developing cataracts. 1 cup of papaya provides 188% of your daily vitamin C needs, more than oranges, in a form particularly well absorbed by eye tissues. It also provides nearly 1,500 international units of vitamin A as beta-carotene. But papain is what makes papaya unique. This enzyme, famous for tenderizing meat, appears to prevent the protein clumping that causes cataracts. University of Mumbai researchers gave papaya extract to diabetic animals who typically develop cataracts quickly. After 16 weeks, the papaya group showed 67% less lens clouding. Microscopic analysis showed papain helped maintain normal lens protein structure. Synergy in action. Australian researchers discovered papaya's vitamin C regenerates vitamin E in eye tissues, creating hours-long protection. Papaya's fiber also slows sugar release, preventing blood sugar spikes that accelerate cataract formation. High blood sugar makes lens proteins become glycated, essentially sugar-coated, causing them to stick together and cloud vision. Look for papayas that are mostly yellow with some green. Don't throw away the black seeds, they contain powerful antioxidants. Eat them fresh or dry, and grind them as a pepper substitute. Eat papaya on an empty stomach in the morning for maximum enzyme activity. Let it reach room temperature first. Papain works best when not cold. Aim for 1 cup 3 times weekly. Number 1. Goji berries. Nature's most powerful cataract fighter. Our champion fruit is the goji berry. These small red berries from the Himalayas have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for 2,000 years, specifically for eye health. Modern science is now proving ancient wisdom correct. Beijing University of Chinese Medicine conducted a groundbreaking study that amazed the eye care community. They gave 150 early-stage cataract patients either 15 grams of goji berries daily or a placebo for 90 days. 77% of the goji group showed measurable improvement in lens clarity while the placebo group worsened. Most remarkably, 23% showed complete reversal of early lens clouding. Goji berries contain more zeaxanthin per gram than any fruit on earth. 162 milligrams per 100 grams. That's 40 times more than oranges and 20 times more than spinach. They also contain 18 amino acids and unique compounds called Lycium barbarum polysaccharides that protect lens cells and stimulate production of glutathione, your lens's master antioxidant. University of Sydney scientists fed goji extract to mice genetically prone to cataracts. After 6 months, the control group had severe cataracts while the goji group maintained clear lenses. Analysis showed goji berries increased protective enzyme activity by 340% and reduced protein clumping by 73%. Quality matters immensely. Choose certified organic goji berries from the Ningxia region or Tibetan Plateau, where unique soil minerals produce the highest zeaxanthin levels. Avoid berries treated with pesticides and sulfites. Soak dried goji berries in warm water for 10 minutes before eating. This improves nutrient absorption. Don't discard the soaking water, it's a powerful eye-protecting tea. The optimal daily dose is 15 to 20 grams, about a small handful. Eat them in the morning with healthy fats like almonds or walnuts, since zeaxanthin needs fat for absorption. Whole or soaked berries provide better absorption than blended ones. If using goji powder, limit intake to 1 tablespoon daily. Some people experience mild energy boosts from goji berries, so consume them before 2 in the afternoon. If you take blood thinners or diabetes medications, consult your doctor first, as goji berries can interact with these medicines. Now let's create your practical plan. You don't need all 5 fruits daily, but aim for at least 2 or 3 regularly. Here's a simple approach. Start Monday with blueberries in yogurt for breakfast and an afternoon orange. Tuesday, add avocado to lunch and enjoy morning goji berry tea. Wednesday, have papaya with breakfast and another orange for a snack. Rotate these throughout the week for variety and consistent protection. The best time to prevent cataracts is before they start. But even with early cataracts, these fruits can slow or reverse progression. The evidence is clear. Nature provides powerful tools for maintaining clear vision throughout life. Protecting your vision is one of the most important investments in your quality of life. Seeing your grandchildren's faces clearly, reading favorite books, enjoying nature's beauty, and maintaining independence, these are priceless gifts that good vision provides. These 5 fruits: oranges with vitamin C protection, blueberries with anthocyanin power, avocados with lutein and zeaxanthin, papaya with unique enzyme action, and goji berries with unmatched zeaxanthin content are your allies in maintaining healthy, clear vision. Start with 1 or 2 fruits and gradually add more. Your eyes will thank you. Imagine looking in the mirror years from now, seeing clearly, and knowing that simple dietary choices made all the difference. Which of these fruits are you most excited to try? Have you noticed vision improvements from dietary changes? Please share your experiences in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to protect their vision. Remember, you control your eye health through daily choices. These fruits are available, affordable, and delicious. There's no reason not to start protecting your vision today. Thank you for joining me. Take care of yourselves and those precious eyes. They're the windows through which you experience life's beautiful moments. Here's to clear vision for many years to come.